Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar, computer teachers. Today we will discuss lesson 5 app development questions. Question and answer. Question first, explain the importance of education app. Answer. Education apps improve education system. It will make easier for students to learn things and remember it for a long time. Education app is easier to understand and use and compare to books and lectures that students attend in the classroom. Means education app improve education systems. It will make easier for students to learn things and remember it for a long time. Means when you learn through pictures, you see the pictures related to your subject, you can learn easily and you learn a long time. Education app is easier to understand and use compared to the books and lectures that students attend in the classroom. Through educational apps, you can gain a knowledge about not only the subject which you study but also the extra knowledge which make you more intelligent. Means through the education app, you can not only understand only your subject, you can learn another subject, another things, and increase your knowledge and which make you intelligent. This is the importance of education. Question second, how can you download and install app from the Google Play Store? Question is, how can you download and install app from Google Play Store? Answer, we can download and install app from Google Play Store. Follow these steps. Step first, open the Google Play Store app. Step 2, search or browse for content. Step 3, select an item. Step 4, tap install. Step 5, click confirm option. Step 6, your app installed in your device. These are the simple steps to install any app or download any app from Google Play Store. Step first, open the Google Play Store app. Step 2, search or browse for content and search your app name. Step 3, select an items. There are so many apps show on your screen. You select your app. Step 4, click tab install option. Step 5, when you click the install one confirmation, you click the confirm option. Step 6, after some times your app install in your device. So this is the simple method to install any app from Google Play Store. Question number 3. What are the difference between desktop app and mobile app? Difference between desktop app and mobile app. Answer, a desktop application or desktop app is a computer program that runs locally on a computer device such as desktop or laptop computer. Desktop applications have traditionally been limited by the hardware on which they are run. They must be developed for and installed on a particular operating system. Means desktop application is a computer program that runs locally on a computer device such as laptop or desktop computer, and desktop application have traditionally been limited hardware requirement which they are run. They must be developed for install on a particular operating system. Here, even the mobile apps are built for specific platforms such as iOS for the Apple iPhone, Android for Samsung device, and it's installed directly onto the device itself. Means mobile apps are built for specific platform, like some apps developed for Java, some apps developed for Apple iPhone, Android. So those apps only run on a particular operating system. Suppose that any apps developed for iPhone, Apple iPhone, then those apps only run on Apple iPhone operating system, not run Java and Android. So they are downloaded and installed via app stores such as Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Means such type of app you can install through app storage like Google Play Store, and if you have a Apple iPhone, then you can store app through Apple App Store. So mobile apps are built for particular platform like iOS, Android, iPhone, Android. So such type of apps run particular platform. These are the difference between desktop app and mobile app. Question number 4. Distinguish between native apps and hybrid apps. Hybrid app developing using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Native apps developing in a platform specific language, Objective-C switch for iOS, Java for Android. Hybrid app write once, run anywhere. Native separate code for each platform. Hybrid app medium performance to comparable to native apps. Faster and most responsive experience to users. Hybrid apps save time and money. Native apps higher investment of time, talent and resource. Hybrid app faster development cycle. Native apps highest cost and development time. Example of hybrid app: Baskin Robbins, Sorting Untopped, and native apps PayPal, Gmail, etc. These are the difference between hybrid app and native app. Question of 5th. How can you broadly categorize the app? Explain any one app. Apps can be broadly categorized into desktop app, web app and mobile apps. Means apps are broadly categorized into 3 types: desktop app, web app and mobile app. One category of app: desktop apps. These apps can be used on a desktop or laptop. Generally, they do not need web access and run independently on a computer. To run desktop app, it must first be installed on the desktop or laptop. The installed app is represented either by icon on the computer screen or an item in the start menu. Example of desktop application are word processor, spreadsheet, even smaller apps like Paint and Notepad. It means apps are broadly categorized into 3 categories: desktop apps, web apps and mobile apps. And one category are desktop apps. Desktop apps are those apps which are used and installed in laptop or desktop computer, and you cannot need to connect internet to access such type of app like Notepad, spreadsheets. You can install, and after that you installation, icon of app show on your desktop screen, either start menu. So you can easy way to use without connect internet. Example here: word processor, spreadsheets. You can install and use without the internet. Question number 6. What are the requirements for developing an app? Requirement for developing of an app are: Java. The most basic building block of Android development is the programming language Java. Through Java you can develop Android apps. Next, the SQL, structured query language. Next, Android Software Development Kit SDK and Android Studio. Next, XML, and after that HTML. These are the requirements for developing an app. Question number 7. With the help of suitable examples, plan the photo editing task that can be done by using desktop, web or mobile apps. Here the software: photo editing, desktop app. Photoshop from Adobe is a photo editing software which must be installed on desktop or laptop. And Fixlr is the free photos editing tool for desktop. It's Photoshop and Fixlr. Web app. Fixlr also provided photos editing software as web application available. This website, Simo Paint, based on photo editing application of web-based application, and mobile apps for Adobe Photoshop Express in mobile. Fixlr are photo editing apps for mobile devices which can be downloaded from either the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. These are photo editing software related to desktop app, web app and mobile apps. Hopefully you understand all questions of this lesson. All students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.